Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name is Amanda and today we're going to be talking about how to improve your spins and turns, and then we will be doing a beginner to advanced practice routine. We will be doing a beginner, intermediate, and advanced steps, and at the end we will link them all together to create an advanced practice routine. The best way to improve your turns is to practice them over and over and over again until your body gets used to it. A few key points to remember while you turn is we have to keep a long spine, our center pulled in nice and tight, and the feeling as if you have a ponytail on the top of your head and it's pulling up. Okay guys, now we are going to jump into the routine. We'll start with our beginner portion. First, I'm gonna face you guys, and I'll do it with counts, and also face away and do it with counts. So we are gonna step back with our right foot. We're gonna go rock, step, and then we're gonna step to the side. Our left foot is gonna go across. We are going to do a spot turn. So left foot across, turn, step forward with the right foot, collect inside. And now the same thing, right foot going across, spot turn, forward, turn, and collect side. We are going to do the same thing. We're going to do our spot turns, but with a delayed walk in the beginning. So that left foot is going to creep through, and then I will step on it, do my spot turn, right foot forward, collect inside. Same thing with my right foot. It's gonna sneak through and step on it, turn, left foot forward, collect side. From here, I have an alemana turn. I'm gonna bring that left foot forward and to my right diagonal, and I'm gonna do a forward walk turning, forward walk with my right foot, and collect and step to the side. Okay guys, we're gonna try that with the counts. We're gonna go back with that right foot. Here we go. And 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and a 2, 3, 4, 1 and a 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay guys, now that same routine I'm gonna show you from the back. Again, we start with that right foot. We do our rock step back and we step to the side. We have our spot turn with the left foot going forward. And then we have our spot turn with the right foot going forward. Then we do our spot turn with our delayed walks and turn. And again, delayed with the right foot now going through and turn. From here, we're going into our alemana turn, left foot forward, forward walk turning, and step to the side. Okay, now we're gonna do it with the counts. We have and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1. Okay guys, let's try that with music. yourself getting dizzy by repeating this routine twice, you can always put as many basic steps as you need to recover and then jump right back into those turns. But try not to stop. Okay guys, it's now time to go into the intermediate part of our turns. We will start with our right foot. We're going to do the rock step back and forward. From here, we're going to have a spiral turn with our right foot going forward, spiral turn. And from here, we're going to have a forward walk and a forward walk turning and a back walk. From here, we are going to have a continuous spot turn. We'll step forward. We'll have a left foot forward spot turn and step, hip twist, forward walk turning. From here, we step forward, another step forward and spiral, step forward, forward walk turning, and step back. Alrighty guys, let's try that with the counts. We have 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 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 2 and 3 and 4. 1. Okay guys, let's do that same routine but me facing away from you. So we have a back step, forward, step, spiral, forward walk turning, back walk, forward walk, hip twist turn, spot turn, and again hip twist turn, spot turn, forward walk, spiral, forward walk turning, and back walk. Alrighty guys, now with the counts. And 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 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 2 and 3 and 4. 1. Okay guys, let's try that now with music. Alrighty guys, now it is time for our advanced steps. We are back on our right foot. We are going to collect our feet together. We're going to do switch, switch, switch. And on this last switch, we are going to turn to the left. Turn. We are going to do a cucaracha to the side. We have a forward walk with a hip twist turn, spot turn, forward walk, hip twist, and forward walk turning. Alrighty guys, with the counts. We are on our right foot. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1. Now we'll do the same steps, but I will be facing away from you. So again, our right foot behind, we have together, 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 turn. Now we do side, and we step forward, hip twist turn, turn, forward walk turning, step, hip twist turn, forward walk turning. Now with the counts. And here we go. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. And 2, 3, and 4, 1. Let's do that with music. Now it's time to put our beginner, intermediate, and advanced steps together into our advanced practice routine. First, I will do it with counts facing you, and then I will do it backing the camera with counts. Here we go. We start with our rock step, and 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now we're going to try it with music. I'm going to do it twice facing you and twice backing to the camera. guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.